How do I choose the right fund for me? It's a great question. If you're planning to invest, picking the right fund is very important. Let's make it easy for you. There are two main types of unit trust funds: open-ended funds and close-ended funds. Let's start with the easy one. Open-ended funds. These are super flexible. You can join or leave anytime. There is no end date. And you buy or sell units directly from the fund managing company. It's perfect if you want flexibility and quick access to your money. Close-ended funds. These have a fixed end date. You can only invest during a specific period. After that, no one new can join. And you can't take your money out anytime unless the fund is on the stock market. If it is on the stock market, you can sell your units there. Units trade at a price lower than the NAV. If it's not listed, you will have to wait until the fund ends to get your money back. So ask yourself, do I want flexibility and liquidity? Choose open-ended fund. Am I okay to lock in my money for a while? Go for close-ended fund. Now, let's talk about the purpose of the fund. What the fund does with your money. Growth funds. These aim to grow your money medium and long term. They invest primarily in company shares with a small portion in fixed income securities. Investors can expect inflation-beating returns over time. You may receive dividends and sell units back to the management company to realize capital gains. Money market funds. These are safe and short-term. They invest primarily in treasury bills, bank deposits, commercial papers, repos. They offer liquidity and work like a savings account, but with better returns. Perfect for parking your money for a little while. Gilt-edged funds. These only invest in government securities. They are very safe, but the returns may be lower. Ideal if you don't like taking risks. Index funds. These follow the stock market like the S&P SL20 in Sri Lanka. The fund mirrors the index, giving investors an easy way to track market trends. Risk is slightly lower than growth funds. Income funds. These invest in bonds with higher yields than treasury bills or bank deposits. These funds may offer regular dividends, appealing to investors seeking steady income. Balanced funds. They invest in a mix of equity and fixed income securities, so you get the best of both worlds. Great if you want some growth with some stability. So what's the right fund for you? Want easy access to money? Open-ended fund. Want to lock money in for a while? Close-ended fund. Want to grow your money? Try growth or index funds. Want safety and income? Try money market or gilt-edged funds. Want a bit of everything? Go balanced. Investing doesn't have to be hard. Understand your goals, pick the right fund, and start your journey.